The cryptocurrency mania is growing at a high rate, garnering widespread acceptability and enticing investors and traders from all walks of life. Because of the craze, the global crypto market cap recently surpassed $3 trillion for the first time. Everyone wants a piece of the crypto pie now. So guys, if you're a crypto trader looking to get the most out of your money, we are here with 5 frequent mistakes that you need to avoid when investing in crypto. Watch till the end to find out. Number 1. Investing because the value of a coin has increased. Buying a coin solely because its price or market share has recently grown is one of the most typical mistakes that novices make when investing in cryptocurrency. The bulk of crypto value jumps, on the other hand, do not usually last. The value of cryptocurrencies fluctuates dramatically due to the nature of the sector. Take, for example, Dogecoin. Its value increased dramatically in October 2021 from 23.4 cents to 30.8 cents per coin. Many interpreted this as a positive omen for Dogecoin, but the euphoria was short-lived. Its value had nearly returned to where it had started just a few days earlier. Dogecoin's value has risen dramatically as a result of high-profile promoters such as Elon Musk. However, such price increases normally only last a week or two. As a result, it's critical to consider twice before relying on a one-time boost like this. Number 2. Investing before doing your due diligence on the coin. When an industry grows in popularity, it's inevitable for crooks to want to profit from it, and the crypto sector is no exception. The manufacture of scam coins is a very popular fraud right now. This entails establishing a coin, marketing it, and then jumping ship after a sufficient amount of money has been invested. Squid Coin, for example, was established after the premiere of Squid Game, Netflix's most popular show ever. This cryptocurrency was able to attract approximately $3.4 million in investment funds before the developers yanked the rug out from under it and made a dash for it with the entire sum. Tragically, novice investors are more likely to fall for hoaxes like this, and there are millions of them out there right now. To prevent buying in a hazardous coin, it's always a good idea to do your homework first and make sure you know who you're working with. Number 3. Investing in a single cryptocurrency. There's no harm in starting with just one type of crypto coin. It's necessary for everyone to start somewhere. People, on the other hand, frequently make the mistake of relying just on one coin. And no matter how good that coin appears to be right now, placing all your eggs in one basket can be dangerous, especially in the realm of cryptocurrency where a coin might surge one minute and then fall the next. So, especially if you're new to the crypto sector, investing a considerable amount of money in just one cryptocurrency is not a good idea. Before you invest, familiarize yourself with a variety of coins. Return to the previous point, research first. Number 4. Paying attention to the current crypto hype. Have you ever noticed how certain coins receive a lot of attention? Perhaps they were endorsed by a celebrity or are affiliated with a well-known brand, such as the aforementioned Squid Coin. Regardless, a coin may have a boom in popularity, but it does not always imply that it is a wise investment. People can lose a lot of money by jumping the gun when things look promising for their selected coin. Number 5. Purchasing a coin because it is cheap. This is a hard one because some people can't afford to put a lot of money into cryptocurrency. While this is completely understood, it is sometimes far more profitable to invest in a fraction of a currency with a secure future. People frequently make the mistake of buying many coins to get a better deal, but this might lead to your money being invested in less established and thus less promising currencies. Of course, the opposite may also be true. So keep this in mind when deciding which coin to invest in. Finally, keep in mind that virtual currencies are a high-risk investment. Many other investors have put money into the virtual token world just to watch it dissipate for every sudden Bitcoin millionaire. Engaging in this area entails taking a chance. You can increase your chances of success by doing your homework before making an investment. So, when determining where to invest your money, make sure to avoid these mistakes. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and always keep in mind that the information in this video is not intended to be taken as investment advice. Please take all relevant steps to ensure that any information or content submitted is accurate, current, and validated. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.